Good after morning, ying, 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 ying. Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna braid my hair. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but if you saw yesterday's video, you know I had a crazy weekend. My laptop hated me. So I'm going to braid my hair today. And I mean today, it's probably gonna take me the entire day, because if you guys don't know anything about hair braiding, first of all, I'm not a professional, so it's gonna take me extra long, but period, hair braiding takes a long time. I just washed my hair. I'm going to blow dry it a little bit with this, and then I'm going to start sectioning and doing things and taking breaks and doing things and taking breaks. So usually when I blow dry it, I do it on cold air, but because I need to get the pep on my step, I'm going to use hot air, and I'm going to use the Living Proof Style Lab Straight Heat Activated, whatever this is. I don't even know how long I've had this for, and I don't even know if it's expired, but I'm not going to buy another one, so I'm just going to use it because I still have it inside. No oils, no silicone, and it's heat protection because these curls, I'm just blow drying it and brushing it at the same time so it doesn't get tangled, because my hair takes 0.3 seconds for it to get tangled, and look at it how it's looking so far. Woohoo! That's my hair. When people ask, Natasha, why don't you brush your hair when it's dry? Because this would happen. Do you want me to walk outside like this? Okay, hair is sort of ready. Wow, don't we look fantastic? I think we do. I have my hair right here, and then I have edge control and this little brush and my hands. If anyone has done braids before and is like experienced and has any tips for me, literally leave them down below, because I'm learning. And we need to do all the things we need to do. So I have the two colors. Like I said, I have this one, and then I have this one that goes into that blonde color. So I think in the back, I'm gonna start with this one because I already have a pack that's opened for that color, and then we're gonna be like interchanging them. I have less of, here we go. I have less of this color than I do the blonde, so I'm gonna have to plan out where in my hair I'm gonna do it so it doesn't look crazy. But we're gonna go ahead, part our hair, and begin. And I'm definitely gonna put a Netflix show on because this is gonna take hours, literal hours. Okay, let's do this. We did our first one. Look at her. Ooh, this is gonna take forever. I can already tell. Damn. I'm good though. I did a good one. I really did. Ooh. Okay, it is 4:46 and I've only done this much. I have all this. Do you see all this? This is gonna take so long. Oh my days. Every time I sign up to do this, I realize, like, damn, I really made a mistake. I should have not thought this was a good idea. Here I am, doing it again. Hopefully it's gonna look good at the end, but for now, we just need to have a lot of patience to keep going. Hello, it is 9:10, and I'm still here. I have taken breaks to eat and stuff, but we're still here. We still have this much hair to go. I feel like I haven't made any progress. I know I have. It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. I estimate maybe in like 3 hours I'll be done. I don't know. I just wish I was done right now. And this is as much progress as we made. And then we have to dip them. And yeah, they're pretty long. I like them long. Here we are, 9 o'clock. Here we keep going. I have lost track of the time. I currently check time. It is 1:13 in the morning. And I'm not done. I decided to do them smaller than I usually do, and I have taken breaks in between, and my back hurt, and my feet hurt from standing up. I don't know why I was standing up that whole time. Well, at least most of the time I would take sitting breaks. But now I moved from the bathroom to my bedroom so I can sit down and finish it. We're almost to the final stretch. We just have to do, I'm finishing off this half, and then I'll finish off the other half of this side, but we're almost there. I can't believe it's 1 a.m. I started this at 3 in the afternoon. But that's what you do when you want to save money and you don't want to go and pay for the salon, because I don't have the coin to give someone like $300 or $400 to do my hair. So that's what we're doing. And I predict that I'm going to be done around like 3 a.m. That's my prediction. So I'm going to keep going. Hello. We're done. We are done. This took literal years. Years and decades and decades and years. They are smaller than I've done them before. That's why it took so long. And I was standing and I was tired. And then for a second, I started sitting. I'm going to dip them tomorrow. It's just like right now, exhausted. Can you tell? In my eyes, just exhausted. But this is how they look. I'll give you a closer look when they're dipped and all. This is how the ends look. They don't look too bad. So when they dip, they're gonna be like more tapered in, so they're not as messy like this. I did cut a little bit off. I did the ends to like almost as long as I could, and then when I was on my whole head, I kind of like brushed them to see if there's any knots, because sometimes there's like little knots when you brush your hair. So I cleaned the ends up a little bit, but I still wanted to keep some of the length, because even though it's not braids, I kind of like the look of how long my braids are. So I'm going to leave it like this, and then when I dip it, it's just gonna be tapered and nice. Also, something new that I was seeing, because my friend has done my braids for me and I have done it a couple times, but this time I did a little bit more research and looked at how other people did their braids to keep them in a little bit longer, to make them look a little bit nicer. So one of the things that I did was use the edge control. Last time when I braided my hair, I didn't use any edge control, and I can tell this time my hair just looks less frizzy. It's just more put together. And another thing, I asked my mom to buy me some mousse, because I've also seen in videos that at the end they dip the hair, but they also put mousse all over the hair to make it look a little bit nicer. So I did the same thing, because I want to keep my braids in as long as possible. It took a whole day, almost a whole day to do it. So I want to keep them in as nice as possible. So I got this, and then something that I never do is I never cover my hair when I sleep, and I know that's going to make them frizzy and stuff, and that's going to make them not last a while. So I have also bought a thing to cover my hair. I'm just learning as I go. I'm not very one with the whole braid culture. I didn't grow up with my hair getting braided. I only started learning it when I was in college. My friend Tony did it for me for the first time, and since then I've been absolutely loving it. So I'm learning more about my hair and how to do more things with my hair and how it's connected to my culture and stuff. So you know, it's a year of learning and growth. So I'm learning more things, adding more products, trying to make it look better, trying to make my skill better, so then maybe one day when I do it on my daughter, I'll be like, girl, I got you. And as always, this is like the clean angle of my room, because a storm, a thunderstorm, a tornado, a tsunami went through here this day today, and I need to clean up my room, because I literally have to do this on an everyday basis. I live in here, and I live in here big. That's what I tell myself. So I'm going to end today's video right here. I know it's just been the braiding. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me, keeping me company. A lot of it was me watching Netflix. A lot of it was me just like, my arms were hurting, my fingers were hurting, but I think it's a very good learning experience for me and practice just to get a little bit better. I just feel fearless with my braids. I feel so cute. I feel like I'm gonna conquer the world. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dip these in tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye.